Our flame detectors are subject to factory inspection tests. This is a flame detector experimental device, where a built-in flame furnace. By burning methane gas of 99% purity to produce the measured flare, we strictly follow the GB 12799-2006 national standard to conduct experiments. Generally, we have a group of 10 flame detectors, and each device is labeled with the number of facilitate the recording data. Each flame detector will do 4 experiments. The first is the consistency test. The second is the repeatability test. The third is the angle position test. And the fourth is the low temperature test. Now we start the first experiment. First of all, we need to supply 24-volt power to the equipment, in addition to connecting the power line. There are 2 wires here to connect with the experimental device of the flame detector, to transmit the signal and control the distance. Now we can see the flare through the transparent window. According to national standard, the flare height of 3 cm and a consistent source of light. Now we start to do the first consistency experiment. This experiment is to place the equipment on the detection track, and so on the equipment flashing green lights work normally. Repeat measure the distance in 6 times. Now we take off the shielding plate. Click motor ring on the screen. Now as we can see, the screen displayed is 2193. The 2193 indicates the alarm distance of 2.193 meters. When the flare is detected, we record it to the table. We repeat this consistency test 6 times. The data are recorded in the table. Now we calculate the response threshold ratio based on the data. Find the maximum value and minimum value of the 6 times data. According to the formula maximum value squared, divided by the minimum value squared. For example, the maximum value is 2193 in the 6 measurement values, and the minimum value is 2183. Then the calculation is 1.009. The result is recorded 3 decimal places. The test requirement is that the threshold ratio cannot be greater than 2. And we measured out is 1.009. It means that the flame detector's consistency experiment is passed. Here the response point D value is calculated by removing the maximum and minimum values. The remaining 4 values for the average. After calculation, our response point D value result is 2189.5. The consistency of the device test experiment is completed.